welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gist happening in and around. There's a story going around today. Um, a Nigerian pastor vows to raise Kobe Bryant from the dead on one condition. This is very funny. I'm sure the Americans already see this as a big scam. Let me run you through this gist. A story is going viral online about the Nigerian prophet Nigel Gaisie, who had allegedly made some sterling claims concerning the death of the basketball player Kobe Bryant and his daughter Gianna Bryant. The story was gathered through multiple sources, and we are still digging in the article to confirm the authenticity of the report. In the little we gathered online, Nigel Gaisie, while preaching and prophesying to his congregation, said he is capable of raising Kobe Bryant and his daughter from the dead. However, there are some conditions to his offer. According to the self-proclaimed man of God, he can only do so if 10% of Kobe Bryant's net worth is given to him. There were claims that he said, "The Lord just took me into the spirit world, and I have seen a great man fall. This news will shake the entire world because of how great this man is. I see a lot of people on social media talking about the man for weeks to come, and I see a lot of sad faces. America will mourn this great man. The Lord then instructed me to announce to the family of this man, the American embassy in Ghana, and the entire world that He, the Lord, has not sanctioned the death of this man." He said to me, "Nigel, tell the family of this man and tell the entire world, should they agree to pay my tithes and offering, I'll use you as a vessel to bring this man and his daughter back to life." Prophet Nigel asserted that without the 10% offer, there was no way he could bring the man and his daughter back to life, because that was the instruction from the Almighty God Himself. The man is worth $500 million, and should the family agree to give 10% of his income, I will bring them back to life. Thus saith the Lord. Without the money, I cannot bring him and the little girl back. Prophet Nigel Gaisie, after making this declaration, asked the congregation to pray in tongues and thank the Lord for wanting to use him and their church for such a great miracle. He went on to admonish the congregation to make sure the message reaches the American consulate in Ghana, the family of the late Kobe Bryant, and also warned his congregation not to doubt the words of Almighty Jehovah, or else face some serious repercussion. Wow, this is serious, guys. I don't know what you think, man, but this is really, really serious. Yeah. So Kobe Bryant died on Sunday, as we all know. He was flying to his basketball academy for practice in his helicopter with his daughter when the helicopter had a malfunction and crashed. So since then, the world has been mourning, America has been mourning. There's so many celebrities crying, or sending tribute and everything. So guys, I don't know what you think about what this Nigerian pastor said. I don't know if you believe this is true. He said he will only raise Kobe Bryant for 10% of his net worth. So let's discuss, guys. What do you think? Do you think this is possible? Me, for one, I don't trust this man. I don't know who he is. Well, I don't know if his family, Kobe Bryant family are ready to take this gamble. Giving Kobe Bryant 10% to this man of God to bring back our legend. Let's discuss this in the comment. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Stay blessed.